Chess for Life premium classes have a unique benefit and opportunity for students. First, they are based upon the Chess for Life curriculum. As a national master, high school state champion, and trainer of over 10,000 students, including state and national champions, I learned over time what I considered an ideal methodology and order of how to teach students so that they would not learn bad habits, and it would lay the right foundation so they could go as far as they wished. Students in these premium classes get to work through each of these topics, building up their achievement chart, showing their progress as they learn the essential skills in every level that allows them to succeed and not plateau at any level. Additionally, and really key behind Chess for Life, is our mission of teaching life skills through the game. You see, we want to have transferable skills that help these students achieve wherever they go in life. And imagine the benefits of learning to focus, learning complex problem-solving skills, learning to work together, and being willing to fail as we teach things such as win, draw, or learn. Plus, as students go through the classes, we have a very small group size. Students work at the same level together. They build new friends as they go through it. They work together, they train together, they progress together, and then they graduate into the next level.